Building a factory is not as difficult as you might think. Leave it to us. Hunan K-Home Steel Structure Company was established in 2007 with a total investment of 20 million. The factory covers an area of 100,000 square meters, has nearly 300 employees, and has rich manufacturing and construction experience. It also has intelligent cutting and welding production lines that can operate 24 hours a day. The steel structure components needed for the building are all produced and processed on site, and then transported to the construction site. This not only ensures the quality of the steel structure, but also saves processing time. The workers are experienced, significantly shortening the project cycle. The factory construction of 5,000 square meters can be completed in just 2 months. If you have any related needs, please contact me.